Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a nice brown and black smoky eye. This is just kind of like your generic sort of smoky eye. This is your generic sort of smoky eye for any occasion. So if you would like to know how to do this look, then please keep watching. So I'm just starting off with the Peely's base and shade 2 and 3. And I'm using a Morphe M166 brush. And I'm just applying this right under my brows, and then I'm going to wing it up past my temple. And this is just applying the shape for those brows that we're going to have on after. And I'm just patting this onto my lid also. And then with a little dense blending brush, I'm just going to pat out those edges. And I'm now going in with this Unreal palette, the Lorac Pro Artistry book. And I'm just going to be using some of the browns in here. So as you can see, there are so many. I think I'll be going back and forth with these three here. So with a Morphe M506 brush, going in with the shade Brownie. I'm just applying this in and above the crease, going for a sort of rainbow shape. And just making sure that I'm keeping that colour super dark. I'm also just tapping out the edges with that, just making sure that it's going to be easy to blend into the next colour. I'm now going in to the shade Tiramisu, I love that word, tiramisu. And I'm going in with another Morphe M506 brush. And I'm just applying this colour right above everything that we've done, so we're going round about the whole rainbow shape. I'm actually just going to wing this out as well, and I'm not being afraid to get this into my eyebrow. And I'm now going to go into nude up here. Now this is a little bit more orange, just to kind of cool it down a little bit, or warm it up a little bit. And I'm going to go in with a Morphe M456 brush. And again, I'm just bringing this shadow up even higher now towards my brow and also winging it out into my temple. And I'm now going to go in with a Morphe M441 brush. It's a wee bit bigger, a bit more fluffy, just so we can really blend out this edge here. And I'm just going back into nudes. Now just going back and darkening all of this up again. And I'm now applying the first colour that we use, which is Brownie. And I'm just patting this colour all over my lid and making sure that it blends into the blend that we already have. I must look so mental right now. Now I'm just going to go in with my Bobbi Brown gel liner. And this is in black ink. And using a Morphe M250-1 brush, I'm just lining my lash line, making sure that these lashes are going to blend in super good when we put them on. Now this is something that is really important to do if you're wanting your lashes to look super nice and blended into your eyeshadow. I'm now going to go in with a Morphe and Jack & Hill brush GH42. This is just a little soft brush, and I'm going to be applying this liner into my lash line. And I'm now going to apply the shade Brownie again into my lash line. Oh my god, if you've ever had powder in your eyes, you'll know how horrible it feels. Just using a little biodegradable white, and I'm just going to make sure that my under eye is super clean from any shadow. I'm now going to be applying the Be Perfect Prime underneath my eyes. Now I prefer using this primer under my eyes to the Peely's base because it doesn't crease as much. I find that it dries down a lot more. So you're kind of like eliminating that problem. And going in with this blue blending brush. This is from Morphe, it doesn't have a name. I don't think that they still make them, but this is what I'm using. And I'm just applying this underneath my eye, making sure I go right up to my lash line, making sure all that area is nice and covered. I'm also going to help clean up the wing a little bit and make it a bit more sharp, but not totally sharp. I'm now just going to be going into Brownie, Tiramisu and Nude, and I'm just going to kind of blend this down on the lash line. And to do that, I'm going to be using these three peaches and cream brushes. So we've got PC31, PC32 and PC33, and they're all really little. And I'm just going to speed this up and put it all together, but I'm starting with the darkest and then moving on to the lightest. So I'm now going to do my base and my brows off camera, and then I'll be right back for lashes. Okay, so that's me back with my base and my brows on. I actually hate how my face looks or how my makeup looks with dark makeup on. But I always like how it looks like in photos, but I hate how I look in person. So I'm using the Be Perfect Cosmetics Lash in Vibes. This is them here, they're nice and winged out. So I've just got some duo glue and applied it to the back of my hand, and then I'm going in with the back of a brush. And I'm just applying this to the lash band. If you would like to see a tutorial of how to apply lashes, then I will put that in the top right hand corner here. So that is the lashes on. They're a wee bit more natural because this look is absolutely unbelievably mental for me. It's actually so funny because I would go for a cut crease with like a million colours over 3 colour smoky eye. Now going in with my Bad Llama mascara, and this would be perfect as well. And I'm just going to be applying this onto my lashes. Just got mascara underneath my eye. Love that for me. Just a wee tip, if you do that, just get a wee spoolie and wait till the mascara is dry on your skin. And then you can just scrape it off. And it comes off rather easy. It's a lot better than having to kind of rub it in when it's wet. Now I'm going to do my lips and sort out my hair off camera, and then I will be back for the finished look. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful if you wanted to try a nice smoked out look. Now this is your kind of average sort of browns and your black kind of smoky eye. If you haven't already, please give this video a like and subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. And you can follow my Instagram at @_makeupbylisa, where I post almost every single day. I also post on YouTube every Sunday at 6:30. If you would like to be notified, then you can press the little notification bell underneath. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye 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 bye.